Okay, everyone. I wanted to just do a quick review of this product that Sean Mize is putting out, and it's a group of audio trainings. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go in here, and I'm just going to buy it right here online. Let me see. I'm going to do this part. I'm going to do this part off screen. I'm just going to go through the buying process, so it'll be 1 second here. And then I'm gonna come right back, and then we'll kind of dive in here. Seems like it's taken 1 second through Warrior Plus, and you're looking at the screen here. Let's see, my payment is being processed. Let's take it a little bit here. Let's see. Warrior's asking me to be patient, so we'll be 1 second here. And as soon as Warrior Plus just allows me to make this purchase, then I'm going to come back, and then we're going to just take a look at the member area here. Right? It could think I'm trying to buy through my affiliate link. So okay, I'm going to skip the upsell here. I'm going to skip the upsells again. And I'm just going to skip the upsells here. And let's see, I've got one more here I'm going to skip, and then I'm going to be ready to bring this on screen. Okay, so I'm going to click access my purchase. Now, again, I'm doing all this off screen. I realize you can't see it, so and then what I need to do is I'm going to go full screen, and then I'll be able then to bring you on. Okay, so let's see. I should be able to just kind of add this to the. See if I can just change my camera here. Okay, so I think what I can do is I can just kind of go full screen here. Okay, yep, we're full screen now. Okay, so I bought the product, and so here are all the trainings, right? And so basically they're audio trainings. And so what I want to do is I'd like to just show you how to make the most of these trainings. So for example, let's say that we were to just kind of get this one, right? What we would do obviously is we're gonna download this. We're gonna download this one, and we're going to download the other one. At this point, I'm not even all that certain that I really care a whole lot even what it's going to be about. So tab back to this. So okay, so I've got both files here, and so as part of the bonus that I'm going to give, I'm going to show you how to take these audios and turn them into something unique very quickly, and then if you want to sell them or if you want to use them as content, right? And so that'll be my bonus to you. And what I'll do is I'll come back here. I'll put the link to where you'll be able to get my bonus to this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my review. Like I said, you see you can see here that there are 100 of these, right? So there are quite a few. And so basically what you're going to be able to do then is once I show you how to use these audio trainings, you'll be able to take any of those trainings and make something unique with it and make something that'll fit into your business. Okay, so again, I'm going to come back here. I will write the link here in the comment area, and you'll be able to get access to it. Okay, so with that, if you're watching this on YouTube, the link to where you'll be able to get the training is going to be right underneath in the description area, right? So I'm gonna post this to YouTube. You'll be able to see it there. If you're looking at this on a landing page, then obviously the link is going to be, you'll see a buy button underneath here. But right now, I'm recording this on Facebook. I will need to just put the link together. I'm going to put it back in the comment area. Then you'll be able to get access to our bonus, and I'm going to record that right now off camera. Okay, so thanks everybody, and have a good day.